In this video, we will show you how to replace your front fog lamp assembly on this Nissan Maxima. You'll have one of these on each side of the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the front bumper cover, and this is where we're going to find our fog lamp assemblies. The removal and installation process will be the same on either side of the vehicle. With that said, let's start with our electrical connector. For this, it does have one locking tab that we just want to reach up. We'll take hold of it, carefully pull it away from the fog lamp bulb, and then pull it down and out of place. A quick inspection of your wire connector to confirm there's no miscellaneous corrosion. This looks good, we'll set it aside. To dislodge the fog lamp assembly from its mounting bracket, you're going to find that you have two T20 Torx screws to remove, and then we can get this right out of here. Take hold of the fog lamp assembly, pull it straight rearward, out and away from its mounting bracket. Okay friend, let's prepare to install our fog lamp assembly. Before we do so, let's just have a quick look along the back. You want to make sure you have your bulb installed. If it's not, typically for that, you would just take your bulb, slide it in until it feels like it wants to latch in, and then twist it clockwise until it's completely locked. Aside from that, there is an alignment point on each one of your fog lamp assemblies, which is down along the bottom here, and this is how you'd adjust the beam up and down. You can just go ahead and turn that one direction or the other. With that said, let's get this installed. Press that in until it's completely bottomed out against its mounting bracket. Once you can see both mounting bolt ports are aligned, go ahead and start in each of those mounting bolts. After they're both started in, snug them up. Let's take hold of that. Confirm that it's properly secured and seated all the way around. This looks good. Next is your wiring harness. Go ahead and line it up, press it in, listen for a click, and then we can make our way out from under here. Audible click, a light tug. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Test the functionality, align it as needed. Repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.